today we're going to be making pizza dough. The ingredients are 1 kilogram of strong white flour, 2 times 7 grams of yeast, 2 tablespoons of golden caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 650 milliliters of warm water, and finally 1 tablespoon of salt.
Fantastic. Let's make it. Okay, so we've got the kilo flour. Now, if you'd like to show everybody that, the kilo flour, the 650 mils of warm water, the yeast. Where's the yeast now? The yeast there. We just measured them all out in bowls. The sugar. And we've got olive oil there, and we're going to put all the ingredients into all of those into the water now. So if you put them in, off you go. That's the yeast. Well done, good girl. That's the sugar. Good girl.
And the oil.
How many of these was it? Do you remember?
3 tablespoons.
Fantastic. Put it over the pot. 1, tip it. 2, tip it. 3, tip it. Okay. It's a bit more than 3, but that's okay. Remove these. Now we're going to get a fork. Make a hole in the middle of our flour. That's it. And just help me do that.
Dad, you're doing it with your hands.
That's right, because it's quicker. There you go, hold that. And we're going to just pour, do you want to pour it in? Into the middle slowly, okay? We'll pour it into the well.
Ugh. Is that why you said to pour it in slowly?
Yeah. Never mind.
Right.
Now we're going to mix it together with a fork.
Oh, it smells like pizza now. Somehow.
That's it, keep mixing.
Sounds like the Pizza Express pizza.
Does it?
Yeah, it smells like it too.
Okay, keep mixing. Let me get rid of this. I'll come back. Shall I help? Just mix it.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, but we're just going to speed it up a little bit now. I'll give you a hand.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, that's okay. I'm going to tip it out onto the side in a minute anyway.
Okay.
Right, now we've washed our hands, haven't we?
Yep.
So let's get some flour.
Feels so sticky and hot.
Right.
And it smells really nice.
Does it?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Right, we're going to, remember what we did before?
Yep.
Put your hands under mine. Rub them together. Right, now I'm going to show you. Let me just get it together, then you can knead it, okay?
Knead it?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
What we're doing now. So we pull it, remember we pull and push and pull
in
and
the
push.
rolls.
Yeah.
We did
it exactly when we made bread rolls. We had to do exactly the same thing. And it's exactly the same thing with the pizza dough.
Okay.
Just going to get some of that off my hands, and then in a minute we'll put some oil on the counter when this has come together. Just wait a second, and you can do it. Right. Let me just go and get the oil. Okay, so we'll just put a little bit of oil on the counter.
And then we put it.
I'll put a bit of oil. Just let me get you going, and then you can carry on. It's not going to stick. It's not going to stick.
Together.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's just not going to stick.
Yeah, sticking's kind of bad.
Right.
But cool. But
Our dough is a bit wet, but let's see how we get on once we've kneaded it for a while. So Nell's going to have a go. Go on, Nell. Push, pull, squeeze, squeeze, push, pull. And we'll probably knead it for about 10-15 minutes until it's nice and smooth.
Oh, wow.
No. What are you doing, you monster?
I don't know how to push and pull when
Right.
it's this
Sticky. Well, look, that's what we'll do. We'll do a bit of that. Okay?
Oh, that's a lot done.
Don't worry.
Oh.
You're...
Whoa. That's a big bang. What? What?
Big bang. It's a big bang. I think we're there now.
Now we've kneaded the dough, we need to put it in the bowl and prove it, and I shall oil the bowl
Why are we oiling the bowl now?
to make it not stick.
Okay, go ahead. Fantastic. Well done. Good girl. That's enough. That's enough. Rub it all round. And what do we put on top? Do you remember from the buns that we made? What goes on top?
Towel.
A damp towel, yeah?
Yes.
So it doesn't dry out. Fantastic. That's enough. If you put the dough inside,
Yes, I shall.
okay, and I'll get the damp towel. What's next
Okay.
now?
We get this towel, we put it over here, and we leave it for an hour to let it prove.
Okay, so it's going to double in size. It's a damp tea towel so the dough doesn't dry out. The dough's proved twice the size. It's been about an hour in there. I'm just going to tip it out. Just going to tip it out. Just push it out a small bit.
I'm ready.
Here's my chef. You
The
ready?
new chef Daryl.
That's it.
Wait.
Now, how many we cutting this into? Quarters and then half again. How many is that? Do you know? Quarters. Right. So I've got a floured surface. I'm just cut the dough into 8 portions. Just making them into nice round balls with help of my little chefs.
And
we're going to cover those with a damp towel, let them prove again before we use them. In the meantime, I've cut.
Yeah, Bessie.
Topping, yeah, you can see. Is that soft?
Squishy.
Is it squishy?
Oh, yeah,
Now,
they
can
are.
you find a damp towel for the...
Damp towel coming right. I'm gonna.
What are you going to do? Yes, that's it, slap it. Right. He has washed his hands. And then we're going to cover it. Can we leave it there, mister?
Wait, let me just this it.
What do you want to do?
I'm a busy.
Okay.
Damp
Okay, I'll just get a damp towel. Hang on.
right.
Dylan, can you just keep doing that?
Bop.
Make sure it's a
Yeah,
circle.
good boy. Now this is our new recruit. Dylan Arthur Biden. Dylan, smile at the camera.
Well done, little chef. That's perfect. Thank you. Right, so we've got our little chefs here ready to make pizza. So what do you like on pizza? Do you like mushrooms, Dylan?
Yes.
Yeah, put some on then. Here you go. Put some mushrooms on your pizza. All over, different places. That's it. 2 or 3 more. Go on, put them on. Good boy. Some more. That's it. And one more. Fantastic. How about some tomatoes? You like tomatoes?
Yeah.
You take some tomatoes then. Put tomatoes on your pizza. Brilliant.
Oh,
Is that enough?
that's amazing.
And we're going to put some mozzarella cheese. Can you do this? If I give it to you. Put it on. And some more. So Daddy help you?
Yum.
Right, so let's go and put this one in the oven, shall we?
Yep. Pizza
Okay.
oven. Here we come.
Fantastic.
I want milk. I want a drink.
Okay, we'll get you a drink of milk as
Okay, I'll
well.
get him a drink of milk.
Let's have a quick look. I'm going to turn it.
There's a bus.